Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
GoPro's new flagship camera, the Hero 13 Black, has arrived, and it unleashes even more creativity with a new smart lens system. They're automatically recognized by the camera. For instance, says VP Rick Loughery,
you put the macro lens on, it adjusts the settings for the best use of the macro lens. There's also a feature when you put the macro lens on that it shows you on the back of the screen what's in focus and what's going to be a little bit out of focus.
Other add-ons include ND filters, ultra-wide and anamorphic lenses. The Hero 13 Black also features better battery capacity. There is also magnetic mounting and charging and improved super slow-mo. The base price is $400. Find more at GoPro.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.